we spend around a third of our waking hours at work. Some 8 out of 10 people experience work-related stress causing issues at home with their loved ones. So imagine a workplace where people don't only just get the job done, but where people find joy, fulfillment, meaningful connections, where they find that they can matter. Wouldn't this be a great place to work at? Really great leaders have all this in mind. They know how to create happy workplaces for themselves, for others, for teams they're leading, for organizations they're responsible for their customers, for the suppliers. They know how to make themselves and others happy at work. I worked in the media industry. I had my share of bad and worse leaders. I also had a couple of really great ones. I was a leader myself. I want you to play to your people's strengths, feel valued, create happiness, feel connected, and to do something really meaningful and to have impact. And that's my mission, to foster happiness at work, positive leadership, and well-being in the work environment. I know how it feels to be worn out by your job, how it feels to be unsafe, to be afraid of making errors, to not be able to play to your strengths. The last 15 years, I've been working with all kinds of organizations on positive psychology and positive leadership. I do workshops, keynotes, talks, panel discussions on positive psychology at work, on positive leadership, on trust and psychological safety, especially in times of disruption, in times of fear, in times of lack of trust. I bring a global perspective to positive leadership and to happiness at work that resonates with people, with teams from different backgrounds, from different origins, and from different industries all around the globe. If you want support for your leaders and your leadership teams to create more meaningful, more engaging, more fun, more healthy, more thriving workplaces, I'd love to come in to your organization and give you the support that you need. My goal is not just to transmit knowledge. I want to give them takeaways that remain, that have effect long after the talk, the conference, the keynote is gone and completed. So if you're ready to elevate your leadership game and create really fun, engaging, thriving workplaces, let's talk.